Welcome to your midweek power surge, the quick boost you need to refuel, refocus, and lead with confidence. Leadership isn't just about the title, it's about the impact you make every single day. Whether you're stepping into a leadership role, still in the classroom but preparing for a move into leadership, or already leading your team, these short episodes are designed to keep you empowered, encouraged, and equipped for the journey. And the truth is, empowered leaders empower others. And that starts with showing up with clarity, purpose, and passion. So let's tap into the power within you, the calling God has placed on your heart, and the leadership you're meant to walk in. This is your weekly power surge. Let's go. Welcome back to the Empowered Educator Show. I'm your host, Dr. Mel, and here's your power surge for today. Empowered leaders lead with purpose, not pressure. It's really easy to confuse action with impact. When deadlines are piling up and those expectations are rising, that's exactly when it starts to feel like pressure is driving your car instead of you. But pressure leads us to be reactive rather than proactive. We're making snap decisions, or we try to take control a little bit more tightly, or we just try to power through. Purpose, on the other hand, helps us pause, helps us realign, and then lead from clarity instead of chaos. I remember working as a principal, and one year I just hit a wall mid-year. Every day felt like a sprint, and every meeting it felt heavier and heavier. You know, that first year you get a little bit more grace, but that second year you start to feel like everything is pressure. You're leading from pressure. And you're trying to meet everyone's needs all at once. But once I started thinking about it and I shifted my focus to my purpose, I was able to start cultivating that culture where teachers felt trusted and students felt seen. I was able to change my tone. I was able to re-engage my team, and I was able to rediscover that joy that had led me into leadership in the first place. Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and He will establish your plans. Leadership is anchored in purpose. It invites peace and steadiness. It reminds us that we're responsible for the work, but we're not carrying it all alone. So here's your action step. Before your next conversation or your next big decision, I want you to pause for 10 seconds and ask yourself, am I leading from pressure or purpose? Then take a deep breath. Recenter on your why, and let that guide your next move. Leaders, when you lead from purpose, your calm becomes contagious. Your team can sense it, and your culture becomes stronger. And you're able to stop measuring success by how much you can carry, and you're able to start measuring it by how much you can empower. Keep leading with purpose, guys, and let your influence flow from vision, not urgency. This has been your midweek power surge. It's exactly what you need to keep leading with confidence. Remember, empowered leaders empower others, and that starts with you. Keep showing up, keep growing, and keep making an impact.